What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you 5 hidden LA gems that no one really talks about.
Yeah, if you're visiting LA or if you just moved here, you're probably at some point going to Google things to do in Los Angeles. You'll see things like the Santa Monica Pier, Universal Studios, or the Hollywood Walk of Fame. And don't get me wrong, all of that stuff can be fun, but in our opinion, that's not going to show you the true beauty of what LA has to offer.
We've been living in Los Angeles for a while now, and let me tell you, there is so much to discover, so many cool spots. It's what makes Los Angeles our favorite city. There are way too many spots to fit in one video, so we're going to start you off with 5 of our favorite spots.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Number 1, the secret path to Griffith.
Yeah, so obviously Griffith Observatory is not a secret itself. You've probably heard about it from movies or shows or just seen pictures of it on Instagram. Most people end up just parking in the parking lot, taking that quick trail up to the observatory, but we're here to tell you that's not the way to go. That is basic. We're gonna show you our favorite way to get to the top.
So you start off by putting in Los Feliz Heights steps into Google Maps. Once you're there, you're gonna end up in this lovely residential part of our favorite neighborhood, Los Feliz. So you're gonna go up these steps, curve around Bonneview Avenue, and then you'll find staircase number 2 on your left. You go up those staircases, enjoy the nice houses along the way, and then keep going a little more and you'll see staircase number 3 on your left. You're gonna go up that, and by now you've probably worked up quite a bit of a sweat, but you know, working out's good, exercise is good. You just keep going, and this is my favorite part where you get to see this sign that says no access to the observatory.
No access? I thought this was a path to the observatory.
Yeah, so it's my favorite part because that sign is totally bogus.
Just go past that sign and then you'll see a locked door. Odds are the door is going to be locked. We've literally asked everyone if they know what the code is.
Even people who live there, like we literally saw people who live in that neighborhood and they're like, do you guys know the code? So like nobody knows the code. But when there is a will, there's a way.
Yes, sir. You can just simply go around. It's a little sketchy, but it's super fun. Just go down that little hill, squeeze under that gate, open the door from the other side, and let all your friends in.
Boom. And from that point on, you just walk up to the world famous Griffith Observatory, where you can enjoy one of the most iconic views of Los Angeles.
Facts.
I've worked up quite a sweat, having a good time.
Just completed staircase number 3.
Look at this little squirrel scrumming all over the place.
This is probably our 40th time here. Next up, we have the edge of Carbon Beach.
So I've got to admit, we're kind of a sucker for anything in Malibu. Maybe it's because we have sentimental value since we got married there. I don't know. But this particular beach is isolated and has super crisp blue water, which makes it feel like truly an awesome spot for a romantic getaway. First, you're going to drive over to Carbon Beach, park for free on the PCH, the Pacific Coast Highway, and then try to find this open gate that'll allow you to go right straight to the sand. If you're having trouble finding it, we'll drop the GPS coordinates to help you out.
Once you're on the sand, take a left, start walking for about half a mile. You're gonna have the beautiful waves hitting you on the right side, the beautiful $5 million homes on the left side.
5 million? It's like 10, 15, 20, $50 million homes.
True, that's facts actually. And hopefully you'll have a handsome young man walking next to you.
I told her to say that. Keep going, and eventually you'll hit the rocky end where you can just lie down on the sand, take in the beach view, and enjoy complete and utter peacefulness. We're out here in the corner of Carbon Beach. Literally nobody is here.
Really just find your own spot.
There used to be a pair of really cool swings right here. Unfortunately, they took them down.
They were so nice.
Yeah, I'm just here. I'm just having a good time. Stop number 3, the Bronson Caves.
We love the caves because it's a little nice escape from hectic Hollywood. It really doesn't feel like you're in LA at all. All you gotta do is plug in Camp Hollywood Land into your GPS, park over there, head over to that trailhead for the Bronson Caves, and then it's a short walk to get there.
These caves are really fun to explore and make echo sounds in.
Echo, echo, echo.
And you'll even run into some strange and slightly questionable rock structures, like in the form of a circle. So come here to explore, maybe do some cult stuff with the stones, and stick around for the really cool, sick, close-up view of the Hollywood sign.
What's great about the Bronson Caves trail is that it only takes about 5 minutes to get there. So if you have any friends who are not into hiking, not into that outdoor activity,
AKA lazy people.
this is where you're gonna bring them. Fun fact, These man-made caves actually appeared in a ton of films and TV shows. Like, there's a huge running list. So shout out to my Star Trek fans out there. These caves have been in that show.
Echo! Yeah, I'm just here. I'm just having a good time.
Coming in at number 4, the Restoration Hardware Rooftop. Let's head into those city vibes now. Out in Restoration Hardware in West Hollywood. No, we're not here to buy some overpriced furniture. Do not get it twisted at all. We're here for this low-key, beautiful rooftop.
Yeah, this is a super dope spot to bring people because it can really confuse them at first. I think it was like my parents, they visited, they were asking what are we gonna do today? And I said, let's hit up this furniture store. And then they're like, okay, furniture store, all right, whatever. So you take them to the furniture store, you go up to the rooftop, and then boom, it's nice and beautiful.
Yeah, amazing views. There's also free Wi-Fi, so you can actually just like chill on the rooftop on this overpriced patio furniture, get some work done.
On a clear day, you can get a full 360 view of LA right from the middle of all the action, which is really cool. Just grab a drink from Earth Cafe across the street, head over to the rooftop, kick back and relax. Last but certainly not least, the Topanga Lookout.
We're out here at one of the highest spots in the Santa Monica Mountains, and this spot, hands down, has one of the most breathtaking views that you can find.
Yeah, it really does. This hike is about 2 miles long and only about 150 feet of elevation gain, so it's really not that hard at all. Nothing to be intimidated about. We'll drop the address to where you can find the trailhead.
You'll end up at an old abandoned fire tower with a ton of graffiti all over the place. You don't normally see this on most LA hikes, so it's truly a unique experience. You may recognize this view from Yes Theory's videos. I did some digging and I found out exactly where that spot was.
Yeah, props
So
to
I got
Sana.
you.
We would say shout out to Yes Theory, but they didn't actually give us the location, so
True.
I don't know. Half shout out to Yes Theory. This is the entrance right here.
You're gonna reach the end of this paved road, the one the path less taken.
Yo, Sana, which one's your favorite?
Let me tell you which one's my favorite. Are you ready? This guy over here. Oh, look at this guy. Looks a little confused, a little bit of a blob. I honestly think I identify with him.
Most of the time, when I see graffiti on hiking trails, I'm like, oh, you ruin nature. But this is one exception because the graffiti is actually part of the attraction.
Jade, today I promise to marry you. 6/27/2021.
All right, guys, that wraps up our list. We hope you enjoyed exploring LA with us. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and consider subscribing for more videos from us.
And if you still don't like Los Angeles after watching this video, then I don't know what to tell you, man. Like, tell me, what do you like?
Yeah, I don't know. Well, peace and love as always, and we will see you next time.
Bye!